How to add a link to your Shopify banner. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now, this is basically going to be a banner right on top of our homepage on Shopify, and it should say some text, and we can also add a link to it so that it is clickable. It could be to a product, it could be to a different URL, different website. It's completely up to you. So let's just go in and get to it and show you how to achieve this. So just go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, and then from here you just want to go to your online store, go to themes, and then just go ahead and click on customize on the theme that you're currently running. So once that's open, all we need to do is just go ahead and go to the header section, and you should find the announcement bar. If you don't find it, you can just go ahead and click on add section, and you should find the announcement bar as one of those sections. So just go ahead and add that, and it's just going to be added for us. I like it to be at the top. And once we have our announcement bar, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the arrow right next to it. So this way we can actually go ahead and adjust the text in it and also the links. And you should find welcome to our store as the default text in the banner. So just go ahead and click on that. And obviously we would want to change this, so we can just go ahead and add check out this product, or product on sale, or whatever you want it to be. And then if you want to link this to a specific product, all you need to do is just go to the link option, click on it, and you will find pages, products, all you need in here. So just go and click on products, and then you would want to select the proper product that you want for it. I don't really have any products yet, so I'm just going to add one and get back to this exact same page. Okay, so one more time. Now that I actually did add a product, so we can just click on not announcement bar itself, but we can click on check out this product or the text, and then we just click on this one, click on pages, and then you just want to, sorry, not pages, you want to click on products, and then just select the product that you want. And then now we can actually see we have a link. It is clickable, and if somebody clicks on that, it's just going to take them to that specific product. So this is going to work well if you have some products on sale and whatnot. This is going to work well with them. Let's say you want to customize this more. You can feel free to click on announcement bar to do so. But also I wanted to note that you can actually take them to a completely different page. So we can take them to google.com, for example, and it's going to work. So now if somebody clicks on this, it's actually going to take them to google.com. I just did not save it yet, so this is why it did not work. And now to customize this further, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on announcement bar, and you can feel free to change the scheme for it. You can feel free to change the if you have multiple different sections, it's actually going to auto rotate if you let it. And you can also have more stuff here as well that you can adjust in here. But this is pretty much how to add a link to your announcement bar in Shopify. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.